Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to show you that how you can download and install your software which is PyCharm and how you can set up your environment with the help of this Python IDE. There are the several ways you have to run your Python code. Your first and the basic option here is download Python 3.8 or any of the latest version which is suitable for you and run your Python 3 code right here. But here we have the several types of Python IDEs, which is the PyCharm, then we have Anaconda, then you have to run your code in Visual Studios as well. But our entire course we are using this PyCharm. Here I will tell you that how you can download and install your Python simple IDE and how you can download your simple PyCharm. These both are very simple and very good for your basic. To downloading this Python IDE, you just simply click on that downloaded link and you will find the download option right here. Then after this, you can see here that how you can download PyCharm. Simply click on the download. There are the two versions here, which is you can see that firstly is the professional version where you can pay, and this is just a community version which is free for all of the Python development. Another, the operating systems here are Mac, that will also support Mac operating system and Linux operating system as well. So you can download it your own. I just download here is a PyCharm community edition. You just simply click on that link. If you downloaded both the file, let's just turn to the next step. After downloading, I will tell you that how you can install this Python IDE, which is very simple. You can see that I just already installed this software, but here I will tell you the step. You just simply click on that recommended option. So here you can see that I just go to the customization because I am just running this code again. Here you can click on documentations, pip install, TC and TK modules because TK module is built and come with the Python library. Then here you have the Python suite as well, and I just run Python launcher as well. Just click on next, and here you can see that install all the user, you can see here, and simply leave this as a default. You just simply click on the next step and install, and after this you just simply finish this software. Then you have to successfully install this software. So I just already installed this software, so I just not need to install it again, and here I just said that this is Python IDE, and here you can see that I just run this code, I just run this Python IDE, and you can see here that this is Python IDE, and I just want to open 3.7 right here because I just installed 3.7 right here. Then here you can see that you just simply click on new file, and here you will find the new file and write your simple code, just suppose like print and hello world. Okay, this is how you can install and open your Python IDE. At the first stage you can see that file, then we have the new file, open module as well. You have the recent file options as well. You can set your path as well. You can save your file, save as and save copy as well, and you can print your windows as well. Then this is the options to your IDE. Then here this is a format of your text and all the format of your code right here. Then you can run your file with the help of this run module, and you can run your Python shell as well. Then you have the configurations of IDE. We did not move to that. You can also zoom into your code as well. Then this is your window right here, and you can see that this is your about us. This is how your Python IDE work. Now let's just turn to the PyCharm. Now you can see here that how we can download and install our PyCharm right here. Simply click on the next button. You just click on next right here. Then you have find that you have selected like a path. So simply if you want to select that path, so simply you have to write that one because I just already installed this software, so that is show me these options. At the first stage you can see here you didn't find any of the option right here. So you can simply click on next. Installation of the PyCharm is very simple. You just simply come to this this destination folder, and you can see here you just set your browser path. So I just leave this browser path as a default, and you just simply click on next. Here click on 64-bit launcher, and here you will set that add launcher dir path as well. Open the project folder and .py extension as well, and just simply click on next, and you will finish the installation of this PyCharm. Very simple. You just go to next and finish all of the PyCharm right here. Now here you can see that I'm just opening the PyCharm here, and you can see here when you're just first opening the PyCharm, so you will find a screen like that, and you can see here that you will find this if you are the first time user, so you didn't find any of these projects right here. So you just simply click on create a new project right here. You simply create a new project here, and then you can give it the name of your project. Let's suppose I just write that here I'm just writing Python, and then you have to write that this is monster right here. If you see that the environmental variables, so you can see that if you want to select or if you want to create the Python interpreter right here, because interpreter is very important thing that for your running of your program, if you didn't install Python IDLE, so your PyCharm is not working right here. So you can see here we have the several types of interpreter, which is 3.7, 3.8 as well, 3.4, 3.0, 2.7 and 2.6. so don't worry about that. I will work professionally in the Python, so that's why the too much interpreters are installed into my system. You just simply select your interpreter from that. Otherwise I will tell you that how you can select your interpreter in when I'm just opening this PyCharm. Simply click on create, so your project is being created right here with that one. So you can see here that this is building and processing all of my environmental variable into that project right here. Now here you can see that I just close this, and now you can see that I'm just running this. So this is, you can see here, this is my project folder. Now I'm just tell you that how you can set your interpreter and then run your program into the PyCharm IDLE. You can see that simply click on file and then go to the setting right here. Then after this you will find your setting folder right here. You can see here we have the Python interpreter right here. You just simply click on this plus button right here, and you can see here you can install your pip modules, entirely pip modules, or import your Python packages from here. And you can see that you just simply click on this settings button and you can click on add. When you're just clicking on add right here, you will find your install interpreter, and you can simply select the interpreter, click on OK, and then simply click on apply and OK. So your interpreter here will be select. Just click on new right here, and then you can see here you just simply click on Python, and here I just write that this is hello world file. So this will by default or automatically take this with the extension of PyCharm, as I just showed you that you can run with .py launcher as well. You just see here that I'm just writing presentation mode, and here you can see that I have to write print, and print here is, you can see that I have to write that this is hello world. When I just run this code with the Control Shift and F10, so you can see that we just simply find the hello world. We will learn about the hello world program in next upcoming lectures as well. Here you can see that you have to simply create a new project, new file, new scratch file, open your project, open the recent file as well, close your projects and rename your project as well. You can see here I'm just renaming my project. This is Python Bootcamp. Okay, and you can see that I'm just simply renaming my project right here. Hope so you understand now that how you can download and install your Python IDLE. If you find any of the problem regarding to this course, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.